Holy smokes. Guys, I found a barn find here. Look at that. That's 1953 GMC pickup.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. This is the only one here. Barn find, guys. Look at this. This is 1953. Look. Wow. Barn find. The owner is here. The owner, handsome boy. The master body man here in Alberta, Canada. That's what he is here. Master Tech. Look at this. You can feel the sound of vintage. Look at that.
No seals.
No seals. That's the beauty. Wow. A real treasure, guys. That's a real treasure. Can see the bed is beautiful, wooden bed. Wow.
That was my first truck.
First truck. See, that's his first truck. So what you can see of this first truck? What did you do in this truck?
What did I do?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I don't know. I partied a lot with it.
Wow. And see, these are the visitors here. They just want to see the truck here, guys. And they're from Philippines, and they just wanted to see this truck and bring it home one day. Yeah. So what can you say about this area here, guys? Listen, what can you say? Say something about the place. Very nice.
It's very nice place. It's vintage.
So-
Vintage place.
Sure. So what you can say about this place? What you can say about this place? Huh? Start laughing. At the Pearl. Huh?
Very
See-
nice place.
Very nice place. Yeah, yeah. You want to live here?
I don't know. Maybe. I'm not sure.
How about it, Judith? Can say about the place.
Oh yeah, nice place.
Yeah, yeah. So what's the difference from countryside in southern area in Cebu?
Oh, this one is very cold place,
Cold.
and then it's nice.
But it's nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's our tour here today. And Julien is my friend. That's a pretty good guy. And if you want old vehicles, bring it here. He can fix it. You can bring old stuff, Julien. You can still fix some.
I could. But,
Yeah,
don't.
right on. But you have to pay more like this. All right, guys. Thank you very much. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next one. And cheers. Have a good one, guys. Let's tour in Alberta, Canada. Thank you. Bye-bye.